Hello everyone, John Price here at E.C.D Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring out to you a very interesting topic and the three main reasons why you should consider purchasing a custom Defender versus an exotic luxury vehicle. Now, there are three key components that most of our clients evaluate when we're looking at purchasing a custom vehicle versus a luxury brand. Number one is lifestyle. Most people want to have something that is more of a hybrid between an exotic car and the ability to daily drive it, and something that they can use to take the family out to dinner. Now, whether they want to do a weekend trip or they want to take the family out for a fancy dinner, they can do all of that within the package that our custom vehicles offer. One of our clients, for instance, and this is a true story, bought a Defender 110 from us for his beach home in the East Coast of Florida. So happens it also had a convertible Ferrari parked next to it, and every time they had to go out to dinner and there was a family of 6, there was no way, of course, they can take out the Ferrari, so he found himself using the Defender 110, of course, every single time that he was taking the family out to dinner. The great thing about it is that everybody loved it, since, of course, you can fit comfortably up to 8-9 people in one of these things and be able, of course, to enjoy an outing like that and still feel like you're driving an exotic. Now, in terms of retained value, also a very valid point, of course, and everyone who's looking into an investment wants to make sure they're doing it the best possible way. Most luxury vehicles, as they roll off the lot, they're already starting to depreciate, and of course, it's something that everyone has experienced in this particular segment. Fortunately, we've seen the values of our vehicles over time staying pretty consistent. And one of the things that we do to help this out is any one of our clients who is interested in reselling their vehicle at some point, they can actually do it through us. So E.C.D, in a way, is helping retain that value, offer extended warranties to the next owner of the vehicle, and of course making sure that the end user gets the same enjoyment as the original owner of the car. And the third point will be exclusivity. In a sea of vehicles out there, the likelihood of you finding something that is remotely close to your Defender are very remote. Of course, every vehicle is a one-of-one that we produce, let alone the fact that it is rare to pinpoint one of these cars as you're driving on the freeway or around the city. So that sense of uniqueness and exclusivity, of course, is really hard to find these days, and definitely a custom Defender will get it for you. If you're in the market for a custom vehicle or a luxury brand vehicle for that matter, keep in mind those three elements. Does it fit my lifestyle? And how does it make it more special? Number 2, does it keep its value over time the way I would like to? Number 3, is it something unique and special that I would be happy with for many years to come? If those 3 key elements are what you're searching for in a car, look no further. An E.C.D custom Defender will give it to you all.